Bentos aren't chasing rainbows. Until now, I hope you enjoy these colorful boxes for your healthy snacking inspiration. First up, the yellow brick road. Turmeric snack bites. I add coconut shreds to a food processor and blend until they get oily, and then add in raw cashews, maple syrup, lemon zest, lemon juice, turmeric, ginger, cinnamon, and salt. Blend. Turmeric is a powerful anti-inflammatory with antioxidant effects that are helpful for heart disease, arthritis, Alzheimer's, and even depression. Press your mixture into balls and allow to sit in the fridge for a few hours. Delicious! Sweet, zesty, and nutritious. This is a superfood snack. Dried pineapples and dried baby bananas. Baby bananas are sweeter than their regular cousins, making them nature's candy. Perfect for that sweet tooth snack attack. These have no added sugar and I got them from Trader Joe's. Not sponsored. Golden fish. I use a cookie cutter to make cheese slices a little more interesting. So fun. Yellow skewers. I add chickpeas, apricots, basil, and yellow tomatoes onto skewers. Sprinkle with salt and you've got a sweet and savory nosh. Sunny colored foods tend to have vitamin C and help keep skin healthy, heal wounds, and strengthen bones and teeth. Thumbs up if you want more episodes like this. Next, purple people eater. Purple sweet potato breakfast bars. I melt coconut and cashew butter in a double boiler. Remove from heat and add cooked and mashed purple sweet potato and mix well until integrated. Pour into a greased dish and bake in the oven. Cool completely before slicing. Purple sweet potatoes are rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, and manganese and help lower and regulate blood pressure. These bars are addicting even without added sugar, but if you want them as a dessert rather than breakfast, feel free to add sweetener if you like. Purple baby carrots. These have the same antioxidant compounds that give blueberries their color and benefits. The purple pigment in these babies can improve memory, enhance vision, and act as anti-inflammatories. Purple potato chips. I slice a purple potato very thin into chips and then add that to a bowl with a drizzle of avocado oil. Use your hands and toss to coat every slice and then transfer to a baking rack on top of a baking sheet. Sprinkle with salt or other seasonings and bake. If you use a rack, you won't need to flip them. Fun fact, purple potatoes contain the fewest grams of carbs compared to any other potato. A baked chip that's lower in fat and carbs? I'll take it. Blueberry coconut gummies. Add coconut butter, blueberries, water, sweetener of choice, and salt to a food processor. Remove a half cup of the mixture and sprinkle it with gelatin. Set aside and bring the remaining mixture to a boil. Once boiling, add to the gelatin mixture and stir to dissolve. Transfer to gummy molds and refrigerate until set. These are sweet and creamy, a super fun cool snack. A study showed that people who ate purple and blue foods had a reduced risk in high blood pressure, cholesterol, and obesity. Currently, they make up only 3% of the average American's fruit and veggie intake, so consider adding more to your diet. Here's green with envy. Are you liking the snack boxes so far? I would show you more, but first, I really need to interrupt your enjoyment to ask you to subscribe. Do you mind? Oh, and hit the bell too. Thanks. Blender spinach muffins. I blend banana, spinach, sweetener of choice, egg, and butter or coconut oil together. Add in oat flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Blend and combine. Spoon into mini muffin tins or regular size muffins if you prefer, and bake. If I have to eat veggies, I won't complain about a muffin. These are sweet, and the green color is so fun and makes veggies enticing. Freeze-dried green peas. Green peas are a good source of vitamin K, B1 and C, manganese, fiber, phosphorus, and folate. They're easy to take on the go in freeze-dried form, and they're a delicious sweet treat. Matcha macadamia cookies. Whisk together oat flour, baking soda, high-quality matcha powder, and a pinch of salt. I recommend sifting this mixture, but it's okay if you don't. In another bowl, whisk together an egg, vanilla extract, sweetener of choice, and melted butter or coconut oil. Add the dry to the wet, stir into a dough, and chill for 1 hour. Scoop dough onto parchment and flatten slightly. Bake in the oven until lightly browned and cool on a cooling rack. Matcha is packed with antioxidants, is known to boost metabolism and enhance mood, detoxify, and calm the mind and body. I give these cookies the green light. Cucumber Sammies. I cut a mini cucumber in half lengthwise. Scoop out a bit of the center with a spoon. Fill both halves with edamame hummus, and on one half sprinkle some edamame seeds and fresh dill. Close up your sandwich and enjoy! Get creative with your fillings. They don't have to just be green. Green foods have powerful antioxidants that help our body neutralize and clear out toxins. They're rich in chlorophyll, which acts as a detox agent in the body. Bonus, it's also a natural deodorizer that can help with bad breath. Last box of the day, red hot. Watermelon Jello wedges. Scoop out the inside of limes and save the juice for another recipe. Limeade, anyone? I recommend rinsing the lime wedges off if you don't want this to have a sour bite to it. Cut watermelon into chunks and puree in a blender until smooth. Pour through a fine mesh strainer and refrigerate to cool. Place a cup of juice in a glass bowl and sprinkle with gelatin. Bring the rest of the juice to a boil. Just like before, pour the boiling mixture over the gelatin mixture and stir until the gelatin dissolves. You can add sweetener if preferred. I add my lime halves to a silicone mold to keep them upright. Pour the jello into the limes, or you could also just use a baking pan or bowl or any other mold. Refrigerate 4 hours or overnight. When set, slice the lime halves into wedges with a sharp knife and reveal your watermelon jello wedges. Watermelon may be mostly water, but it's also filled with vitamin A, B6, C, lycopene, antioxidants, and amino acids. Beet chips. Make them or buy them. These are from Trader Joe's, not sponsored, and the only ingredient is beets. Beets help lower blood pressure, boost stamina, fight inflammation, are rich in fiber, detoxify, and have anti-cancer properties. Chocolate-filled raspberries. I simply pop white and dark chocolate chips into raspberries and save for my sweet treat snack. Tangy and sweet, who doesn't love berries with chocolate? Last but not least, dehydrated strawberries. I put strawberry halves on a parchment-lined baking sheet flat side up and leave space for air to circulate. Bake on low heat for a few hours. Flip and then continue to bake until dehydrated to your liking. No added sugar needed, a delicious on-the-go snack. Red foods are more common, so they vary more in nutrients, but each brings something different to the table. Antioxidants, folate, cancer fighting, and heart healthy are just a few benefits these red hots offer. And those are my rainbow bentos. Thumbs up if you want more bento box videos. These are just snacks that I chose to pair by color, but you can of course make your own super colorful box with your favorite snack ideas, and I hope that you can be inspired by some of these ideas. If you want full lunches, check out my ebook and bento series. My ebook has 35 bento box lunches with calories and nutrition, tons of vegan and vegetarian options, and you can get that or any ebook or package at a discount this week only if you use the code RAINBOW at checkout at mindovermunch.com/ebooks. I'll see you next week, and remember, it's all a matter of mind over munch.